So we're talking about self-sufficiency in the city. We're talking about growing our own food, cooking our own food, seeing how animals are, being with animals. It's so fulfilling to actually even spend time with animals, to spend time with a chicken, to stroke a chicken. All our animals are rescued or have to have been rehomed for whatever reason. And it's so nice for people to be able to do that. If you don't get a chance to be out in nature, how are you ever going to love it? You have to interact with it. And you know, if we want our kids to save the planet, or they have to get out there and see, really appreciate it. And they have to appreciate animals and love animals. You know, I think it's one of the most rewarding things from my childhood is me spending time with animals. And I love those animals. I'm very aware that we're only custodians, we're passing through, and we have to instill our love of nature and animals into another generation. So they will, in 10 years' time, there'll be a whole lot of, hopefully, the children who come here looking after the farm, talking about sustainability. The pigs are so friendly. All they want to do is, you know, when people come to the farm, they want to greet them. They are social. They're like dogs, really. Even our two very wild goats, Coco and Twinkle, have calmed down now and are really getting happy with people. They were very scared in the beginning, and we took about 3 months to actually just work with them and make them trust us. You know, because you know, animals can't tell you if they had a bad experience. They really can't. They just look at you with fear in their eyes. You know, so you have to. Now I'm so happy when they look at me. They look at with love, not fear. So that's a real achievement. You know, they're all individuals, and that's the wonderful thing. People have to realise animals are individuals. They're like you and me. They have their own personalities, and you have to respect that and love them for it. You know, that's what makes it magic. You know.